13.
14.
13. You first.
Fisherman Fred. Miss Alphabet. Guitar Gary. Cowhand Cow. Mailman Morris. Quarterback Jack. Hoser Hauler Harry. Nurse Nell. Waitress Wendy. Quarterback Jack. Waitress Wendy. Backhand Betty. Clown and Clyde. Miss Alphabet. I don't even know what we're playing. Like what are we playing? Is this a game or are we just flipping cards over?
Flipping cards over.
Alright. Cross. I don't want to play anymore. This is not that fun. There's only so many times I can look at the same cards and find it amusing.
What rhymes with mad?
Sad. So this would be mad.
Yeah, but what rhymes with it?
Well, you're rhyming with sad.
You want one, Anders?
Write 2 list words that rhyme with tack.
What's a tack?
A tack is like the little pins that I put in the map. It's called a tack.
Or like make someone lift?
So this is called your
Tack.
Yeah.
So write it?
Uh-huh.
Anders, I'm missing you the yellow ones.
I get the yellow ones or you get the yellow ones?
He gets the yellow. This was a rhyming paper. Okay, Mommy?
What is that?
Bag.
Can you look at these words and see which one sounds?
Stack.
Sack.
Oh,
Benji has to work tonight and tomorrow night, and then he switches to days.
oh yeah, that's good.
I know, I cannot wait for him to be on days.
Marcus has a new job. I don't know what he does. I can't remember. But he gets off like 4 every day. So that's nice.
Lucky. So, I really don't feel like cooking dinner. So where are we going?
Burger King!
Yeah, I'm not Mom. We eat Burger King. But we actually haven't eaten Burger King in like a really long time. But I really just
Hey, Mommy, can
don't
we walk?
feel like... No, I don't want to walk. It's hot.
Like our bus stop.
It's hot. I don't want to walk. If it's not busy, we can sit inside. Yeah, I just really don't feel like cooking dinner. I also don't really have anything to cook dinner. I need to go... I just punched my door. I really need to go grocery shopping, so maybe Ray and I will do that tomorrow after story time. Who knows? I mean, we should. We'll be on base, so we'll probably go grocery shopping tomorrow. We just got home, done at Burger King. The kids had a blast. They made a few friends that were playing with them. It was super cute. Ray goes, "Do you speak English?" And the mom was like, "A little bit." And then the little girl was like, "A little bit." And then they played. I just love that with kids, there really is no language barrier to playing.